Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to group and ungroup elements in Canva. To do this, you can select multiple elements. Select Shift, select one image, then select the other one that you want, and above you see Group. You just select that, and now both images are grouped. From here, you can move them, you can resize them, you can even duplicate them. You can also ungroup the elements. So for you to ungroup, make sure that they are selected and you select ungroup, and now both images, they are detached from each other, so you can move them individually now. Canva now allows you to nest groups. So it allows you to group elements inside of groups. This is useful for complex layouts. So take for instance, these two images are already grouped together. So I can select this image and then select this text. I'm going to also select this one, and now I'm going to select group. Now everything is grouped together. Now the shortcut keys for these: to group elements, Control G, and to ungroup, Control Shift G. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.